That's a real tough question because it's kind of a personal question and it's more of a design question. If you have the opportunity to hold off on installing shelves until later in your renovation process, that's generally your best bet for seeing how the space develops, living in the space, seeing it with cabinets or whatever else you have going on, so that then you can decide exactly where to place the shelves at the end. Now, one tip for that is to make sure that you note, especially if it's a renovation process that involves opening up a wall, where studs are, and to add extra studs or blocking in the wall before you put the sheetrock, the drywall back on and do all the finish work. That way, when you do decide exactly where to put the shelf, you know exactly where your studs are. And if you thought ahead a little bit, to have some extra blocking so you have some extra play of changing the elevation or changing the left and right, then it gives you a lot more flexibility to hold off on installing shelves until later on in your renovation process.